Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. Today, in this video, I bring some latest collection of some unique, amazing, and trendy ideas of garden arrangements that people will love to create. These sort of unique and out of the box ideas that will make their garden arrangements more stylish, colorful, and inspiring for others by creating your own unique ideas and creative styles or thinking. You can choose different painting techniques or make these ideas looks more beautiful. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love it and create it for your garden arrangements. In this video, I bring some latest collection of unique, amazing, and trendy ideas that people will love to create for their garden arrangements and make these ideas more stylish, colorful. You can use different terracotta pots or different zigzag pot arrangements by using different recyclable crafty items, more unique in a more versatile way. You can also choose different cardboards to paint different things on it, or creating different fairy gardens by painting different colorful pebbles, or used it in to create a more beautiful and elegant idea will make your garden arrangements look more beautiful. These are some unique and amazing ideas that people will love to create and explore some elegant, simplistic planters in the shape of different ducks, like you have seen in this video, or different painting recyclable tires ideas can be created. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request or query, do mention it in the comment section. I will work on it and answer all your queries in it. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like it, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. It helps me to grow my channel and also encourages me to bring some creative ideas for you. So viewers, I hope you will love it. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.